In this presentation, we're going to take a look at 6 online resources that will help you get and stay organized. Yes, organization can be a challenge, and yet we live in an age where it can be done in a digital setting. With so many online resources out there, you'd be hard-pressed to choose some of the best that will keep you organized day in and day out. Let's take a look at 6 of the ones that I think are worth checking out. First off is Evernote. This app can be a miracle worker for those who want to write down ideas and access them via the cloud. You can open up your Evernote app on your phone, write it down, and you can access it on a computer if you need to. This saves notes, web pages, and so much more, and you can share it with other Evernote users. Next on the list, we have none other than Google Drive. So you have your files accessed via the cloud. You also have Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and so on. You'll have synchronized organization with the touch of a button. If you need to access your files just about anywhere, Google Drive has you covered. Third is Asana, and I cannot tell you how many times this has helped me out when it comes to doing team tasks. And it has all kinds of tools for those who are working together as a team. This includes messaging, storing files, progress tracking, assigning tasks. It's a Swiss Army knife of organization tools. Without this app, I don't know how I can get through life. The good news is that it's free for teams that have 15 people or less, and you have unlimited usage of so many tasks there. So, if you're looking for a productivity tool that's loaded with features and is free of charge to an extent, you'd be insane not to give Asana a try. Fourth, we're going to take a look at Mint. I get it, the monetary side of handling a business can be a challenge, and for that reason I would be remiss if I didn't include Mint. You can be able to build a budget, get reports on spending and saving that are easy to understand, set up alerts for any potential unauthorized charges, the whole 9 yards. I dare say this is the Asana of financial apps. So if you're looking to keep your finances in order, Mint may just be the best possible option, and it's safe and secure as well. Fifth, we have LastPass. Okay, we hate it when we forget our passwords, and we don't have the time to play guessing games. So for this reason, you have a free password tool that will keep all your passwords in one place. And it's safe, secure, and compatible with many of the web browsers we use today. Plus you get autofill, which will make it easy and quick. Last but not least, we have Pocket. Oh yes, this is perfect for when you want to save some videos and articles for later. You may not have time to read or watch them because things are hectic and busy. No problem. All it takes is one click of a mouse or one touch of your phone screen. Boom, it's saved. So you won't have to spend hours later trying to hunt it down. Well, that's it for the 6 online resources to help you get and stay organized. I hope this was helpful to you, and we'll see you next time.